Bits of paper, bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy, make the place untidy. Sweep them out. Oh, Auntie Halima! Auntie Halima!
Yes, Auntie Barbra.
Please come. Look, I found something.
What is it?
Oh, I don't know. What could that be?
Oh, it's a ladybug.
It's a ladybug.
Yes, it's a ladybug.
Wow. I was sweeping and then I saw it.
It has beautiful color.
Wow. Oh, it even has eyes.
It has black
and
red.
Wow. Auntie Halima,
Yes,
I think this can look good in our art room.
But I don't want to hold it.
It doesn't bite. It's friendly. Look, I held it. Oh.
Yay.
Put it there so that it also makes our art room beautiful.
Okay, so I put
Okay,
it
let me
over.
continue sweeping here.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Bits of paper, bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy, make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Oh, Auntie Halima,
Yes, Auntie Barbra.
guess what?
Is it a ladybug?
No, I found something else.
Oh, it's
And this time I don't know what it is.
It is a rock.
It's a rock?
Yes.
Who put it there?
I think the cat.
The cat?
A
Can the
rock?
cat carry a rock?
Can a cat carry a rock?
Auntie Halima,
I don't know.
do you know what I thought?
Yes.
I think when God was creating that world you told me about,
Oh,
He
yeah.
placed it there.
So he placed the rock over here.
Yes.
It gives me an idea.
Okay.
Let me first dance.
Oh, I dance with you? Okay.
We are going to make a ladybug.
A ladybird?
Yes, Auntie Barbra.
How?
How?
Yes.
So you're going to join us and we see how we're going to use the rock to make a ladybug.
Oh. Okay.
So please join us as we make
The ladybug! Yes!
Yes,
So
Auntie
today I had the best day
why?
because when I was tidying up the place, first of all, I found a ladybug.
Oh,
Yes.
the ladybug I was scared of.
Yes.
Right.
And then when I kept sweeping, I found a rock.
Oh yes, I
Yes.
remember the rock.
And then you told me that we can make a ladybird out of that rock.
Yes, so we're going to make a ladybug using the rock you found.
Wow. So children, are you ready to join us?
I am ready.
Wow. So what do we do before we start doing anything?
We have to place everything on the table.
Wow. That is having what?
A plan.
Plan. Yes.
Yes.
And then
Mhm.
you also have to sit in one place and then
You do your activity.
good. Yes.
So right now, Auntie Barbra, what do we need to start up?
Now that we found a rock,
A rock.
we need paints.
Paint.
Yes.
So we need the two colors of paint.
That is, we
Red.
need a red color of paint,
And we need black.
and then we need
The
black.
black paint.
Wow.
And then, Auntie Barbra, we need something, these ones.
Oh, I know. The googly eyes.
The googly
Where
eye.
are they? Oh,
Over
they're
there.
right here. Let me pour them here.
So we need the googly eyes.
Yes.
And then Auntie Barbra, we need something. This one.
Oh yes, the antennas.
antennas for a ladybird.
Is
But-
it simple to make?
The antennas are very simple to make. So we're
Oh.
going to make the antennas after we have painted.
Okay.
Yes.
But Auntie Halima,
Yes, Auntie
where
Barbra.
can the children get the stones from? The rocks?
They can just go outside their compound
Oh.
and get any stone.
Does it have to be very big?
It can be very tiny.
Okay.
It can be a stone. It can be a rock.
Okay.
Auntie Barbra, they can even use a roll
Of toilet paper.
of toilet paper.
Wow, that's nice. So for us, we are going to use a small rock. Okay.
Yes, a rock.
Yes. So what do I need to start with, Auntie Halima?
We're going to paint first.
With what? Which color?
We're going to start with red.
Oh, and what am I painting exactly?
You're going
Is
to
it the
paint-
head?
Oh,
What is that?
Auntie Barbra is going to first paint the wings.
Oh yes, the wings. Wow. Ta-da! I told you I like it when you sing for me as I paint.
Painting is good.
Okay.
Painting is good.
Okay.
Painting is good. It's so good for Auntie Barbra.
Can I put it also in my mouth? Can I paint my lips?
Can Auntie Barbra do that? No.
Oh.
Auntie Barbra, if you put the paint in your mouth, you
What
fall
will happen?
sick.
Oh,
And
so
they'll take you to the doctor, and you know what happens then. They don't give people sweets at the
they'll
doctor.
give me picture.
Yes.
Oh,
they'll
I
give you
don't
picture.
want that.
They'll give Auntie Barbra a big injection on her hand here.
I
like
don't
this.
want that to happen.
And I'll paint without you.
Oh, then you'll miss me.
Don't cry, Auntie Barbra. It's okay. Don't put the paint in your mouth.
Okay, I won't.
And please, when you're painting, you can put on your old t-shirt so that you don't ruin your clothes. You
Or
can put on
apron.
an apron.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let me enjoy my painting. You said I paint
And
the
Auntie
wings
Barbra,
first.
you know,
Yes.
it's very, very, very important when you're painting,
Uh-huh.
you reduce the paint
Oh.
of your brush.
Like
that,
this?
Yes, so that the paint doesn't become too much.
Oh.
So that our rock can dry very fast.
Okay.
Painting is good.
Okay.
Painting is good.
Uh-huh.
Painting is good. It's so good to me and you.
Oh, again, can sing.
Painting is good.
Uh-huh.
Painting is fun.
Uh-huh.
Painting is fun. It's so fun.
For you.
And me.
Yes.
So painting is fun. Drawing is fun. Sticking is fun.
So what happens when my hands get dirty?
You can go and wash them.
Oh, okay.
So a little mess like this.
Ta-da.
And like that, and like that, it is fine.
Can I do this?
Yes, you can do that.
Look at my hands.
That means you're a very good artist.
Can I put it on your
Wait. If you put it on my nose, I look like a clown.
It's art.
No.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Auntie Barbra wants to make me to look
Ooh,
like a
I'm
clown.
going to put a flower.
Oh my god, I look like a clown.
Just a little more. She has paint.
I look like a clown. Okay, so a little paint doesn't hurt.
Yes.
I can remove the paint.
So what else do I do?
So we are going to put the black paint
Okay.
on the head.
Okay. Sing for me, please.
Okay.
You said it's important to reduce.
The paint.
Okay.
Painting is good.
Uh-huh.
Painting is good.
Uh-huh.
Painting is good. It's so good to me.
Uh-huh.
Painting is fun.
Uh-huh.
Painting is fun.
Okay.
Painting is fun. It's fun for me and
You.
Auntie Barbra.
And even the children.
Oh yes.
Wow.
Even for mummies and daddies.
You mean when they paint their lips, it's so nice?
No, please don't put paint on your nose,
Okay.
on your mouth, on your
Okay.
ears.
So Auntie Halima, I have finished.
Wow, so we can hold it up for the children to see. Wow.
Is it finished? Is it done?
No, it is
Hey.
not yet done.
Okay.
So we are going to leave it here for some time,
Mhm.
and then as we're leaving it to rest and dry, we are
Mm.
going to make the antennas
Oh, okay.
as we wait for it to
Okay.
dry up a little bit.
What are we going to use for the antennas?
Actually, what color do you love?
Can we use yellow?
So you can use the antennas, you can use any color to make the antenna.
Okay.
So Auntie Barbra wants yellow, so I give her the first
Can I use this one here? That I
Alright.
cut?
Oh yes.
Uh-huh. So I am going to cut out. Ta-da! I'm going to make them a little long.
Okay.
Then, look.
So
This
you
is
cut out two
This
strands.
is what? Fluorescent paper?
Yes.
Then I'm going to roll them. Roll, 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 roll. Is it too big, Halima? Should I reduce it?
Yes, just a little bit.
Okay. Let me reduce it.
Mummies and daddies, please don't let our baby class children, our big class children use the scissors.
Yes. So I roll. Can you help me roll this one?
Okay. I help Auntie Barbra with
Yes.
roll. Auntie Barbra, this one reminds me.
Uh-huh.
Roll your paper.
Just like the antenna. If you see the butterfly, you put it on its head.
We are making a ladybird.
Hey, sir, butterfly has antennas. Yes.
Not whiskers.
What are they called?
They are antennas.
Yes.
I thought they are whiskers.
No, those ones are for a cat.
Oopsie. For a cat.
So mine is done.
Oh.
So you unroll
Is
it.
it like this?
Can I help you?
Alright.
So you keep rolling it and rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling. Then you open it.
Yay!
Oh, it has fallen. Then you open it up, just like this.
A beautiful antenna.
So what do I do?
So we're going to use the glue to
Uh-huh.
stick the antenna
Uh-huh.
on our ladybird.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
The wood glue is good because it holds it firm.
Okay. So where do I put it, Auntie Halima?
On the head.
Here.
Yes.
Ooh. Wow. That looks so lovely, Auntie Halima.
Wow.
So I put another one?
Another one.
Okay.
So we put the antennas onto the ladybird's head.
Wow. Wow, that looks so nice.
Wow.
Then what do I do?
And then we put the googly eyes.
Wow, so I can still use glue?
Yes, you can still use
Wow. Can I use my finger?
glue. Yes, it's okay.
Where do I put it?
Just over there.
Yay.
Our ladybird is already looking.
I put
beautiful.
another one?
Yes.
Okay.
And another eye over there.
Oh, wow.
Yay.
What
I
is
know
that?
Auntie Barbra has to have the antennas
Uh-huh.
and the what?
The eyes.
The eyes.
And then those two beautiful colors.
Yes, the black
And
and the red for our wings. But something is missing.
the spots.
The spots,
the black spots. Yes.
So, Auntie Barbra, can I do the black
Okay,
spots?
yes, you can.
So we put the black spots
Onto the ladybird.
onto the ladybird.
Auntie Halima, I have a question.
Yes, please.
You mean the spots make it a ladybird?
Yes.
Oh.
Without the spots, you can't tell if
whether
it's
it's a ladybird
or not.
Okay.
So the spots make it a beautiful
ladybird. Wow.
So
Oh my
this
God,
is
I
a
love
ladybird.
this.
We made a ladybird from
A roll, just
roll.
like this one.
Auntie Barbra, see how beautiful the ladybird is.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
So children, you can make a ladybird at home as well.
Wow.
So
can I carry this
okay.
and show it to the
Careful.
children? Wow.
So it's a beautiful ladybird with the antennas, the eyes.
Do you like our ladybird?
Yay.
Wow. Are you going to make it for your mummies and daddies? Wow. So this is what we had today. See you next time as we plan on
For
making
another.
something else.
Yes.
Bye-bye.